Hi everyone, welcome to Shaolin Worldwide. Hey, I'm Master Wang, a 32nd generation Shaolin disciple and Kung Fu teacher. Today, we will be doing a warm-up for Kung Fu. This will help reduce tension and enduring jury training. Please follow along with me. Two legs open, shoulder width. Regulate your breathing for 10 seconds. Relax your shoulder and elbows. Okay, palm to up, breathe in. Elbow back. Palm twist, go up, breathe out. Look up, breathe in. Look forward, breathe out. Relax your shoulder, your elbow, and your wrist. Second, breathe in. Breathe out. Twist up again. Breathe in. Feel the stretching on your chest and stomach. Look forward. Breathe out. Lock shoulder, elbow, wrist. Breathe in. Push it to the side. Okay, relaxing shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Body turn, go left. Okay, look up, chin stretching. Breathe in. Breathe out. Second, breathe in. Forward, breathe out. Okay, body turn right. Okay, relax your shoulders. We circle your shoulders outside 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Inside. 2, 3. Okay, try your eyes. Look up. Look to your left. Down. How much you bend? Change. Stretch. Try that. Turn your hips in the opposite direction. Change. Left leg step forward, stretching your oblique. And warm up to your spade. Right. Breathe in, breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Follow me. Body turn. Go. Go one more few. Wrist and shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Down. Go left. 1, 2, 3. Down. Okay, follow me again. Go right, 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 down. Go right, right, down. Right. Again. 1, 2, 3, down. Right. 1, 2, 3, down. Finish. Okay. Relax your chest, your shoulder, and arm. Palm together. Go. Breathe in. Go. Arm straight. Breathe out. Relax. Look up. Breathe in. Stretching your stomach. Go. Breathe out. Move forward. Keep your arm straight. Back straight. Stretch your back. And hump straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Knee bend. Arm straight. Hug your knees. Your palm to your floor. Okay. One arm. Then go stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Arm body turn. I want you to stay for the detail. Yeah. Okay. Warm up your hips and the lower spine. Go. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please more slow for me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sit down. Hug your knees. Okay. And body turn. Hug for your knees. Palm to left. Go. 1 straight. Keep your legs straight. Go 2. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sit down. We go right. Turn up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Go. Look up. Arm open. Legs, shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Okay, turn your waist, coordinate your shoulders. Okay, follow me. Go left, turn, right, look left. Okay, we change, left. Go left arm first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, relax your shoulder. Follow me again. Go right, left, look left. Change. Go left. Go left, right, look right. Finish. Okay. Follow me. Hold hands. Open. Elbow go together. Tuck your hips. Go in. Go breathe in. Look right. Breathe out. Again. More hands. Breathe in. 2. Go left. Go second. Breathe in. Go right. Yes. Breathe in. Go. Left. Okay. From middle. Finish. Left. Your body should now be more comfortable and warmed up to start your training. Remember the importance of warming up. You can come back to follow this video every time before your beginning training. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please like and subscribe to Shaolin Worldwide for more videos. Thank you.